Welcome back to First Take Math with Brian. We're going to move to another level of factoring. We're going to factor some trinomials that the number in front of the x squared is no longer going to just be 1. It's going to have an actual number that has to be dealt with, which causes a lot more options. I'm going to use what's called the x factor strategy to do this. Again, I got this off the internet, so it's not something I created, but I did find it quite useful to factor problems if I had difficulty factoring things like this. So let me take you through the x factor strategy. So to factor this, our first move is to multiply the 2 times the 15. So that's going to be step 1. So 2 times 15 would be 30. So step 1 is put in this spot right here, or 30. Step 2, this 11 slides down into its spot. So 11 comes down here. What I do now is, this becomes my step 3. So these become my step 3 over here. And what we're going to do is we're going to multiply, the 30 will go up on the top, and the 11 will be our adding piece. So this creates our mama strategy with 30 and 11. So we break the 30 down into 1 and 30, 2 and 15, 3 and 10, 4 does not work, 5 goes into it 6 times, and there's my repeat. Now what we're looking for is which one of these will actually add to give me an 11. That 5 and 6 does it pretty good. 5 plus 6 does equal 11. So there's my winner. So step 3 actually gets put into these spots. So step 3 goes here and here. So what I do is I put the 5 and the 6 in these spots. Step 4, this 2 is going to slide down, and we're going to divide each one of these by the 2. So step 4, we slide the 2 in. And we simplify each one of these fractions. Well, 5 over 2 does not simplify, but 6 over 2 actually can reduce to 3 over 1. Leave that as a fraction. That's going to be very important to our problem. So this leads us to our final step, step 5, which is the answer. So step 5, what we do is we put these 2 pieces together to make our factorization. The letter we're using was x, so this bottom number goes with the x, so it's going to be 2x. This becomes our constant, 2x plus 5. And then over here, the 1 becomes our number in front of x, so 1x or x plus then 3. And this becomes our factorization of this trinomial. If I want to check that, if I use my rectangular model, so 2x and the 5 are this edge, the x and the 3 is this edge, and if we put this together, 2x times x does give me 2x squared. 2x times 3 is 6x. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times 3 is 15. These are my like terms. And that should match up to our trinomial. So there's my 2x squared. There's my 11x. And there's my 15. So this actually represents our factorization of this trinomial. Stay tuned for another example.